Hey dear friends, this is Muhammad with socket.io and es6 tutorial. This is the part 4 of our socket.io tutorial and also the part 3 of our simple chat application. So let's get started and continue the previous lessons. In the previous video, as you seen, we just made a server by Node.js, and when a user get connected to our server, then a message displayed in the console that a user connected. Notman index, I want to start the server. Now our server is started, as you can see here. Now I want to open the browser. Okay, as you can see here is a user, first user disconnected, then connected. If I refresh again shows us a user disconnected and then connected. So let's continue. Here in the index.html I have two elements, a UL and orderless element with the ID messages and a form element with the ID FRM. Inside the form I have two elements, input with autocomplete of. What means autocomplete of? I want to show you in real. Input text ID is txt and a button. So first of all I want to cut this, and I want to call the unload function by the window unload. Then when the document gets loaded completely, I call this function, and first I initialize the IO socket, then I make a event socket.on chat app, event name is chat app. Then here I want to make a function with the parameter messages, and then inside the function I want to make an element where el is equal to document dot create element. This element will be a list item, and I want to populate this list item with a message el.innerHTML is equal to messages. Then I want to append this to our UL. It means inside the another list will this list item display. So I want to make a function get el or element by ID, and then return document dot get element by ID, this ID. Okay, now here I want to call dot get el, and I want to pass the ID messages, then dot innerHTML, no, that I want to append this el element to the unorderless element. Now we appended this. Now I want when my form is submit, so first I want to call that get el and pass the form id, and I want to call on submit function. On submit I make a function here, and I emit the event I made chat up. So socket dot emit this chat up event, and then I again call the get el, and I want to get the text of input text. So first I want to select the input text that its value. Okay, so now here is everything okay, and I want to go an index, and here I call the on function with the event we made chat up, and then we get the message, and I want first to show you in the console the messages. Okay, now let's see now everything I write here, it will be displayed on the console. For example, hello. So let me know what's the problem here. It is not displayed. So let's check this index.html file. Okay, document.get element by id, get el messages dot append child, socket dot emit and chat up a function. This is okay. Get value dot value get el. This is the get el, and we pass the txt id, it means id of input text, and then dot value. This is also okay. Socket dot emit also okay. So let me know what's the problem. What is the problem? Socket dot on chat up. Oh, I should reload this. Hi. Okay, I didn't reload the page. Now as you can see here, I have the message I write here, some messages. Okay, as you can see here is the some messages, but we should after that we have here user connected, and also here is a question mark. This is because of we should after form gets submit, we return false. Okay, now it will be okay. Hi dear, as you can see, hi dear. Now it works nice, but this still remain in our text input. Just we need to call get el and pass the text id and that value is equal to null. Okay, as you can see, here is the autocomplete. Okay, hi, how are you? Send hi, how are you, and the text gets clear. So another thing is necessary, we should turn it off, the autocomplete. Now if I want, as you can see now, here we doesn't have any autocomplete text. So now how to message? Instead of displaying messages in the console, I want to show it in the browser. Just io.emit. First we call our event, we put our event, and then we pass the messages. This is okay. Now I want to open up another browser window on localhost. Now let's see the messages. Hi, how are you? Thanks. Thank you for your videos. Please make more. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and also share to get more free videos. Okay, everything works well. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.